Blocking ads in the Chrome, which is very important nowadays. It's so annoying ads, and all you want to do is just remove these ads. You can do this in simple step-by-step guideline in this video. All you need to do is open your Chrome browser, click on the three setting menu, go to the Chrome setting. Here you have to go to the site setting, and here you have to click on the ads third party pop-ups and redirect. Just block it simply. It's pretty simple. After blocking it, you'll see that there are less ads. All if that's not working for you, you can download a browser like Brave browser, which has inbuilt ad blocking, so it will help you more if you download Brave browser. It's also Chromium based browser, so you all features on Chrome will work on Brave browser too. All you can do is you can turn on your data saver mode too if that helps to blocking your ad. So this was how you can block your Chrome ads in a simple way. Remember, Chrome ads are pretty annoying, but sometimes it's inbuilt in website. So sometimes the best ad blocker even can't block it. So you have to understand the ads methodology. So this was how you can block Google Chrome ads, and I'll see you in the next one.